Are we all here? Can we go?
Nope. Lewis isn't here yet.
I'm here!
Where were you, Lewis?
I had to find my journal, and I had to finish a letter saying we're on our journey. Everyone here?
We're all here, yes.
Let's go. I think I see a tribe.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, we should take a break and eat.
Yeah. Do we have enough food?
We only have one ration of food left.
You should have the rest of the food, Sakajuya.
Well, if you insist.
Look, the Pacific Ocean!
Yeah.
I'm gonna write this in my journal. You can write it later.
Okay.
Woo!